Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can verify your phone number in Discord. Open up your Discord account either from the application or in web page, and then go to the bottom left setting icon and click user settings, and then you will find in my account section a column called phone number. Just go there and click add, then select your country and enter your number, and after you're done entering your number, just click on send, and after that just click on I am not a human, and after that just click on I am human, and then just wait for the verification code at your phone. After you have received your verification code, you can just simply enter the verification code, and after entering your verification code you have to enter your password, and after that you can just press confirm. And now your phone number has been verified by Discord. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.